Welcome to Infact Plays Games, today with me, PJay. I hope you are enjoying our first week here on YouTube, we definitely are. For those that haven't seen our show on Sunday, my main job on this channel is to show you PC games. So for my first video, I chose to do a little review for a game called Speedrunners. Speedrunners is a multiplayer running game for up to 4 players. It is developed by Double Dutch Games and published by Tiny Build. The game is still in early access and you can get it on Steam for €14.99 as well as dollars. Well, let's dive in. I have to be honest here, I really love this game. So the concept is fairly simple. It's you versus up to 3 adversaries and it's a race. You control your character with either a controller or with the keyboard and mouse, but I have to say it's one of the rare games I definitely only play with the controller. I have to mention the characters of this game. There are 38 runners in total to choose from, including 8 that you can get in 2 payable DLC packs. I think the designs of the characters are fantastic. They are all very funny and most of them have awesome animations. One of the recent patches introduced a leveling system, allowing you to unlock characters as well as different skins for each one. You can run, jump, slide, and double jump. On certain surfaces, you can use a grappling hook to swing yourself around, giving you speed and the option of taking alternative routes on most of the maps. The physics of the game allow you to build up momentum if you land perfectly in a slope, or while falling down, grapple at the last moment. These mechanics alone make for fun and increasingly competitive gameplay, but we're only getting started. To make things much more chaotic, there are item pickups in the game. You can pick up Fireball, a homing missile, a golden hook to catch an opponent, boxes you can drop a shockwave, a drill that speeds you up, a freeze ray, and finally a remote controlled bomb. You can find sprint refill areas. They fill your boost, which you can use at any moment to speed up. Some obstacles on the maps are spikes and laser beams. Now that you know all this, it's time to tell you the most important thing in this game.
Never leave the screen.
So here comes the genius part of this game. As soon as the first player, who can't keep up with the others, leaves the screen, he is eliminated and a red border appears around the screen. You can change the color of the border in your settings, that's why mine is blue. This border is slowly getting bigger, effectively shrinking the play space. This results in a lot of matches ending in a very tense sudden death. You can choose to play custom games through local and online multiplayer, or if you feel confident enough, jump to ranked play, which gives you points to rank up in your league. All in all, Speedrunners is a game that is easy to pick up, hard to master, but very gratifying when you reach the point where you are so fast that you toy around with people just to avoid them leaving the match in a raging frustration. I also should mention, even if you can't see it in this video, for me the game runs at a smooth 60 FPS. Bear in mind that lag can occur when you're playing online if you're up against someone with a bad internet connection. Since the game is still in early access, I won't give it a score for this review, but I can only recommend it because after playing for over 170 hours, I still can't get enough and play a few matches every day. Well, that's it for my first video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions or just want to say hi, leave a comment here on YouTube. You can also contact me at pjinfact@gmail.com, as well as on Twitter, where I'm at PJinfact. Have a great day and I see you next week. Bye bye!